Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this online screen recorder called EaseUS. So let's quickly dive into it. EaseUS Rec Expert is a simple yet powerful screen recorder that lets you capture screen, audio and webcam in high quality up to 4K. It works online without installation, supports scheduled recording, and even record encrypted stream, which make it great for tutorial streaming or work presentation. Talking about the good side of it, it includes a clean interface, flexible recording models, and smooth performance for both casual and professional users. On the downside or flip side, its editing tools are quite limited compared to more advanced video software, and the free version has restrictions like time limit and watermark. Pricing can also feel a bit steep for users who only need basic recording. So in my conclusion, EaseUS Rec Expert is a solid pick in 2025, especially if you want reliable, high-quality recording with a minimal setup. But the best is if you are after advanced editing, you might probably look for a budget-friendly option. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more quick reviews.